Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Don't You Forget About Me by Simple Minds. This song was made hugely popular by the movie The Breakfast Club. If this video helps you out, like and subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it really helps us out a lot. So thank you, and let's get started with the lesson. So this is how the song goes. So for explaining purposes, I'm going to turn off my distortion so we can hear the notes a little better. So the song starts out on this D chord. It's going to bar from the 5th string down, A string down, on the 5th fret, and then you're going to take your 3rd finger and you're going to lay it across the D, G, and the B strings. It's got a little bit of tremolo in it. If you don't have a tremolo, you don't need to play that. Nobody will notice. Then it goes the D chord again. And then you hit these harmonics on the middle 2 strings on the 12th fret. So it goes D, E, D, harmonics, C, E, and that's going to be a bar on the 3rd fret. And your 3rd finger laying on the D, G, and B strings. So it's 5, 7, 5 harmonics, 3, 5. Does that twice. Then it goes into the verse. And the verse is going to be this. Pretty simple. It's a very popular 80s sound. So it starts out here on this E chord, which is a bar across the 7th fret from the A string down. Your 3rd finger covering these 3 strings. 1, 2, 3. Down to 5, which is a D chord. Then it jumps up to an A chord. The A is going to be a bar on the 5th. 3rd finger on the 7th fret of the A string. 4th finger on the 7th fret of the D string. Then your 2nd finger on the 6th fret of the G string. From there you go back to this E chord. Then I reach down. My 3rd finger is covering up the B string on the 9th fret. Then I put my pinky down on the 10th fret of the B string and I go. 10, 9, 7. Open A string, then the A chord. For that A chord, I just bar across the 2nd fret with my 1st finger. On the G string, you're going to go 2nd, 4th, to the 6th, then 7, 6, 5, 7, 6, 4, 2. You're gonna do that twice, and then you're gonna land on this G chord here. And for that, you're gonna bar from the A string down on the 3rd fret, and just put your 3rd finger on the 5th fret, and your 4th finger on the 5th fret of the D and the G string. You're gonna go C, then you're gonna go G, which is basically in the same fret, but you take these 2 fingers, you move them up 1 string to the A and the D, and you put your middle finger down here on the 4th fret of the G string. Then you go down to a D chord, which is the bar you've been doing all along on the 5th fret. So it goes. From there, you go back to the A. And then you're going to do the 2, 4, 6, 7, 6, 4, 2 thing again. So it goes like this from beginning to end. It is. So on the second time around, when you hit the A chord, you're going to go. You're just going to go 2 to 4 to 6. Then it goes back to the opening chord progression. And then back to the beginning. And that is basically how you play that song. They do that 3 times. And it's got a little distortion on it, so if you add a little distortion to your guitar, it'll sound more like the recording. And some of the things that I play, I'm doing that to make up for my band not having a keyboard player, because there's definitely some keyboard on that song. So I hope this helps you out. It's a great song if you're learning how to play bar chords, for sure, because it's mostly bar chords. So thank you, and subscribe to our channel, and it's completely free, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.